In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix ghosting on high refresh rate VA monitors. The good news is that there are several settings and adjustments that can significantly reduce ghosting and improve motion clarity. Ghosting happens when pixels cannot change colors fast enough before making the next frame appears. The issue is most common on VA panels because dark pixel transitions are generally slower than on IPS or TN displays. Now, the first thing that you need to do before changing any monitor settings is to confirm your refresh rate is set correctly. Make sure you're actually running at the monitor's maximum refresh rate. On Windows, right-click your desktop, select Display Settings, click Advanced Display. Under the refresh rate, select the highest available option. For example, 144 Hz, 165 Hz, 180, 240, and if you are running at 60 Hz accidentally, motion will look much worse. And then you might want to enable overdrive or the response time settings. Why? Because most gaming monitors include an overdrive setting. Depending on the brand, it may be called overdrive, response time, trace-free, AMA, OD, or RTC. And for you to find it, open the monitor's OSD menu. Navigate to Gaming Settings, locate Response Time or Overdrive, and you will see options like Off, Normal, Fast, Faster, and Extreme. Now, the recommended setting is that you start with Normal or Fast. Avoid jumping straight to Extreme because excessive overdrive can create inverse ghosting, which appears as bright halos around moving objects. You need to test different levels and choose the one with the least visible trails. And of course, the most important part is you might want to make sure to update your graphics driver. Graphics driver updates often include display optimizations, adaptive sync fixes, refresh rate improvements, monitor compatibility updates. So I need you to visit your GPU manufacturer's website and install the latest driver for NVIDIA GPU, AMD GPU, Intel GPUs because keeping drivers current can sometimes resolve display-related issues. And of course, never forget to use DisplayPort instead of HDMI when possible. DisplayPort often provides better high refresh rate support, improved adaptive sync compatibility, more bandwidth for gaming monitors, and if your monitor supports both connections, try using a quality DisplayPort cable. And of course, you need to understand the limits of VA panels. Even after optimization, some VA monitors will still show minor dark level smearing. Don't worry, because this is normal because VA technology prioritizes advantages like deep blacks, high contrast ratios, excellent movie viewing. Modern premium VA panels perform much better than older models, but no VA monitor is completely immune. Ghosting on high refresh rate VA monitors can usually be reduced significantly by following all these. For most users, the biggest improvements come from finding the right overdrive setting. With the proper settings, a high refresh rate VA monitor can deliver smooth, responsive gameplay while still providing the excellent contrast and deep blacks that VA panels are known for. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.